Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 24th of March, 2023. Let's go ahead and talk about Litecoin real quick. We're trying to see if Litecoin is going to follow the same path as Bitcoin during this banking crisis across the world. Do you think that it is going to increase in price because of this situation? Or do you think it's going to go lower or do anything at all? So let's go ahead and talk about it real quick. You guys can see as I zoom in, though, I did a price prediction in Litecoin going all the way back on March the 5th, 2023, looking for Litecoin to do just that, go down. And it definitely did. So 7.14% was garnered out the market in Litecoin right here 2 days after we did the video. So congratulations to those who got that. But now let's get to where we are at today. Now we got this horizontal line on the chart, right? And we've identified how this area would be seen as resistance, and we won't become bullish, overly bullish, until we see the price in Litecoin break above it. So now you guys can tell, zooming back in, that the current price action in Litecoin is definitely one of an upward trend. The upward momentum is definitely being displayed on the chart. Okay, so right now we can see that buyers currently is moving the market. They're pushing the price higher in Litecoin. Looking at this on the 2-day chart, I can see here on the completion of this 2-day price bar that Litecoin is still overly bullish. The market is still showing that it wants to go higher. The only thing that's in its way is $95 to $100. But this last completed 2-day price bar is decent. I like that. So let me go ahead and show you all what we got on the 3-day chart. So even here on the 3-day time frame, we're noticing how the market in Litecoin on these 2 3-day price bars was reflecting that sellers were coming through. But the buyers overcame the selling on this 3-day price bar, which is why we're seeing the market go up today. Real quick look at the market in Litecoin on the 5-day. And again, you guys can see it. We're still pretty bullish. Now, of course, mixed in the last 3 5-day price bars is still selling. Okay, so I don't want you all to think that the sellers are not present over the last 15 days, because they're definitely here. And we're still seeing sellers into the market now in Litecoin on this current 5-day price bar. So in the conclusion of this weekly price bar here in the next 2 days and 14 hours, let's say that Litecoin closes up here at the high of the bar. That's fantastic. I will be playing the market move to the upside. That would be my prediction. Now we got 2 days and 14 hours though, but I want to see price close up here at the high, because if so, then the chances of us looking for Litecoin break $96 to the upside is greater. Okay. Look at Litecoin in 2 weeks. Same thing on the 2 weeks chart. In the next 2 days and 14 hours, I want to see the market close up here at the high, because if so, then we're definitely seeing the market trend bullish, and we will be looking for the market to go up. Same thing on the 3 weeks. I want to see the market in Litecoin close up here at the high of the bar, because it lets us know that buyers came in, especially on the 3-weekly price bar, came in and bought the selling. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I am going to play the strength on the chart for Litecoin, but in correlation with this trend, with the understanding that the market is still getting hit with resistance. Okay, I don't want you all to think that price is not going to have problems going up, because it definitely will, especially as we're seeing price hit this $96 as resistance. Okay, so now that is going to be our first target into the market. Litecoin, you guys can already see we already ran up there towards 96 and it got rejected, and price is coming right back down. So don't be surprised to see the market in Litecoin initially go down in price, because that will be the first inclination, since we're already seeing it now. But on the next move higher, $96, $96.60 is going to be my first target. So take a look at that. That is going to be 5.14%, $96.60, $96.50, give or take. Then after that, my second target is going to be up there around 100 even, which is around 8.79%, $100 even. Now zooming out, okay, what we really want to see is Litecoin run up here towards like 110. That would be my third target. Okay, $110. Now that $110 will come to fruition only under the auspice of those weekly time frames. So like I said, we got to get the market 2 days or so to see how the price bar completes, how it ends, because if it ends at the high of the bar, then definitely the market in Litecoin is trending bullish rather than being bearish. So that's it. I am done. 5-minute video. Real quick look at the market of Litecoin. It does look as if the market is trying to anticipate that this is going to be a minimal safe haven while we continue to see the banking crisis unfold across the global economy. Go ahead, give me your thoughts though. Hit that like button, and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.